refuses to budge from our thighs. Isn't that right? You know what I'm saying? Am I the only one? No. Fat doesn't budge from your thighs? Well, to solve that problem, a lot of people have turned to liposuction. But there's a new fat-melting treatment in town, and some people say it's more effective than liposuction. It's called mesotherapy, and it promises results without pain, surgery, or anesthesia, and with no recovery time. Take a look.
2 years ago, 31-year-old Mary Maziano had liposuction on her legs. The procedure left Mary's legs looking bumpy and uneven. Devastated and desperate, she began searching the internet for help and stumbled onto mesotherapy.
Mary, ready?
It's supposed to dissolve fat. No dieting or exercising required.
Mesotherapy is a combination of medications, plant extracts, and vitamins. Basically, the medications stimulate the fat cells to release their fat into your body. And your body knows what to do with that. It's just like you're losing weight.
The procedure is practically painless and bloodless.
Sometimes you feel a little itchy.
After just 12 sessions, Mary says she's astonished by the results.
I've done this 100 times over before ever doing liposuction again.
Okay, please welcome Mary, who said she had mesotherapy and got great results. Welcome.
Hi.
Now, how did you even hear about mesotherapy?
I basically was online researching for something called a thigh lift because I had liposuction done, and I actually had 3 procedures done, the first and then 2 follow-ups, because I healed with bumps and lumps and rippling and cellulite, and it was horrible.
Now, what was your experience? Were you happy with the mesotherapy?
Ecstatic.
Really?
I can't tell you. I mean, basically, my skin is smooth. I'm a little bit more confident as far as wearing skirts and shorts go. I mean,
saw you back. You look good. I mean,
I'm still not 100% comfortable, but I can't tell you what she's done for me.
Now, how often do you get it, and how much does it cost?
I go once a week, and it's $500 a session, but it's worth every penny.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And do you have any idea what's being injected into you?
No, but Dr. Shapiro told me that it was all FDA-approved medications, and you know what? I trust her. I mean, she's a doctor, so I don't think she'd be putting anything into me that wouldn't be safe.
And I actually know there are some doctors that use things that are not FDA approved, and you're not like that. No, everything is approved. All right, well, we have pictures of Mary. You're so brave. Pictures of her before and after her mesotherapy. Take a look. That is a big difference. That's a great difference. Now joining us is Dr. Marian Shapiro, who works exclusively with mesotherapy. Please welcome her. Now, Dr. Shapiro, is this better than liposuction?
Absolutely. When you have liposuction, there is a risk of death. 100 patients a year die of liposuction. With mesotherapy, we've never had anything worse than bruising.
Really? Have there been studies to show that this works and that it's safe?
Well, mesotherapy has been practiced in Europe since 1952. There are 100,000 mesotherapists in Europe.
So as far as long-term effects, there's
none
never
have
really,
ever come up. Other than back in the 1980s, there were reports of skin infection. Of course, I've treated over 1,000 patients and have never had a case of skin infection.
Right. Now, you know a lot of people are critical of this. What do you say to them?
Mesotherapy, the way I practice it, only uses Class B FDA-approved medications. These medicines are safe in children and pregnancy in the amounts that we do. And we have never had a serious side effect in any of our patients. We've treated over 1,000 patients in the last 2 years.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Shapiro. And now joining us is